So what I enjoy about working with Downer is the variety of work that I have ahead of me and options to progress through my career. And there's quite a diverse team in Albany covering the 3 water contracts that we all work well together, so we can merge between contracts as we see fit. I've been with Downer for about 6 years, and from that time I started as a leading hand on the tools, and Downer's supported me in ways of putting me through training, frontline leadership, multi leadership, things like this that have helped me progress through a supervisor role and now a management role. So the benefits of working in Downer with the water team is that we have a high focus on health and safety, and we care. We want the guys to come to work and go home in the same condition, as well as offering consistent work at a good rate, time and a half, penal rates, all of those other sorts of things that are beneficial for any worker with the take-home package. The future of the water industry is forever changing with things like the regulatory body coming in place. And the way that we can help our people deliver that high quality of water and standard is by giving them the correct tools to be able to manage the tasks at hand. It's a very robust industry. Things like COVID do not stop us. We are an essential service, and we need to be out there delivering water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if that sounds like a bit of you, come on board.